This is Mountain Man Dan. Thanks for stopping in, and please subscribe to my channel. You might be watching this because you rented my van, which in that case, congratulations, you're about to have the adventure of a lifetime. But today, I'm gonna show you the best seat in the house. One thing about these chairs that is a little funky is that it's a lot easier to rotate it from the outside if you're standing right outside the passenger door. So I normally exit the van, pull that passenger door open. From out here, it's easy to hit the latch up front, rotate it, and you've got good mechanical advantage to get it turned around real easy. Once it's turned around, get your recliner adjusted to where you want it, and you're good to go. If the seat's not rotating easily, then it's because of two things. The backrest is not adjusted far forward enough, or when you rotate it, the seat surface is contacting the console. So you may just need to adjust that forward or backwards to make sure it's gonna go. Once both of those are adjusted, there's a latch in front that you can reach right in the front here, and then you rotate nice and easily. When you rent the van, Coop's Toys won't be here. And then you're good to go. It does rotate both ways. However, you're gonna wanna go towards the inside of the van. So the seat belt is also gonna go behind the seat rest, otherwise it's gonna be in your face. And that doesn't look cool. It looks like this. Just adjust this. Even getting in this is a little harder with the seatbelt in. But then you're hanging out and the seatbelt is now right in front of you. Oh yeah, hand me that. I'll be right one second. That's why you turn it the way I suggested. You may not be sitting a ton on this trip, but this is the best one in the house when you are ready to relax and kick back and enjoy your surroundings. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing to my channel. Have a great trip. So I'm making these videos so you can see the recliner switches right here. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this,